Thinking about buying your first home? It's a huge milestone and a potential minefield. The excitement of house hunting can quickly turn into regret if you're not careful. I've seen small mistakes cost people their dream home or tens of thousands of dollars. In this video, I'll break down the most common, costly mistakes first-time buyers make and how to avoid them. We'll cover everything from your first step to the hidden costs no one talks about. Let's dive in and make sure your home buying journey is a smart investment, not a financial disaster. Mistake number 1, starting your house hunt without getting pre-approved for a mortgage. It's a common misstep, especially for first-time buyers who are excited to jump into the process. It's tempting to jump straight into browsing listings, imagining yourself in your dream home, but without pre-approval, you're essentially shopping blind and could be setting yourself up for disappointment. Pre-approval means a lender has verified your finances and given you a specific budget, your golden ticket in real estate. It's not just a piece of paper, it's proof you're ready and able to buy. It keeps your search realistic and efficient and shows sellers you're a serious buyer who can actually follow through on an offer. In a competitive market, offers without pre-approval are often ignored or pushed to the bottom of the pile, no matter how much you love the house. So before you tour a single home or fall in love with a listing, talk to a lender and get pre-approved. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference. It takes a little paperwork and some time up front, but it gives you clarity, confidence, and leverage when you're ready to make an offer. Don't skip this step. It's truly the foundation of your entire home buying process, setting you up for success from the very beginning. Know your budget, focus your search, and be ready to act fast when you find the right place. Pre-approval lets you move quickly and confidently. Pre-approval isn't optional, it's essential if you want to stand out and avoid unnecessary setbacks. Save yourself time, stress, and disappointment by getting this step out of the way early. Start here, and you'll be ahead of most first-time buyers, ready to make your move when opportunity knocks. Got your pre-approval? That's a huge first step, and it's exciting to imagine moving into your new place. Great, but don't make the classic mistake of underestimating the true cost of homeownership. There's a lot more to it than just getting approved for a loan. Your mortgage payment is just the beginning. It's only one piece of a much bigger financial puzzle. Add property taxes, homeowners insurance, and, if your down payment is under 20%, private mortgage insurance, PMI. These can add hundreds to your monthly bill. Maintenance and repairs, budget at least 1% of your home's price per year, and remember, some years it could be even more if something big breaks. Utilities, HOA fees, and moving costs add up fast. Even things like trash collection or landscaping can sneak up on you. For a $400,000 home, that's $4,000 a year just for upkeep. And that's before you even think about upgrades or renovations. Don't forget higher utility bills in a bigger space. Heating, cooling, and powering a larger home can really increase your monthly expenses. Calculate your total monthly cost, not just the mortgage. Add up every recurring expense so you know what you're really signing up for. Ignoring these extras is how you end up house poor, struggling to cover bills and missing out on enjoying your new home. Be realistic about what you can afford. It's better to buy a home that fits your budget than to stretch too far and regret it later. Plan for the hidden costs and you'll avoid nasty surprises. Being prepared means less stress and more enjoyment. Homeownership is more than a monthly payment. It's a long-term commitment with lots of moving parts. Know the full picture before you buy, and you'll set yourself up for success and peace of mind. Skipping the home inspection is a gamble you can't afford. In a hot market, waiving the inspection might seem tempting, but it's risky. A professional inspector uncovers hidden issues, roof problems, foundation cracks, outdated wiring. Their report gives you leverage to negotiate repairs or credits, or walk away if the problems are too big. A few $100s for an inspection can save you thousands, or even your entire savings. Don't be fooled by fresh paint or staged rooms. The inspection is your safety net. If the seller won't negotiate, you can back out with your deposit. Never skip this step, no matter how much you love the house. Protect your investment and your peace of mind. The inspection is your best defense against buying a money pit. Always get one. Your credit score is a game changer in the home buying process. It's not just a number. It's a key that can unlock better rates, lower payments, and more options when you're ready to buy a home. Ignore it and you could pay tens of thousands more in interest over the life of your loan, making your home far more expensive than it needs to be. Lenders use your score to decide if you qualify and what rate you get. A higher score means you're seen as less risky, so you get rewarded with better terms. Even a 1% higher rate on a $400,000 loan can cost you over $100,000 extra over 30 years. That's money you could use for renovations, vacations, or your children's education. Start monitoring your credit at least a year before you buy. This gives you time to spot issues and make improvements. Check your reports for errors and dispute them. Mistakes happen more often than you think, and fixing them can boost your score quickly. Pay every bill on time and keep credit card balances low. Consistency is key. Late payments and high balances can drag your score down fast. Don't open new credit accounts right before applying for a mortgage. New accounts can temporarily lower your score and make you look riskier to lenders. Your credit utilization and payment history matter most. These two factors make up the bulk of your score, so focus your efforts here for the biggest impact. Be proactive. Improving your score can save you a fortune. Small changes now can mean huge savings later. Treat your credit score like an asset. Protect it, nurture it, and it will pay off when you need it most. The better your score, the better your deal. You'll have more negotiating power and more choices. Don't let a low score cost you your dream home. Take control now and set yourself up for success when it's time to buy. Just because the bank approves you for a big loan doesn't mean you should spend it all. The bank's number is their max, not yours. Don't become house poor, trapped by a mortgage you can barely afford. Build your own budget based on your lifestyle and savings goals. Factor in all your expenses, not just the mortgage. Leave room for emergencies and fun. Use a mortgage calculator to find your comfort zone. Resist bidding wars that push you past your limit. A smaller home with financial freedom beats a dream house with constant stress. Buy smart, not stretched. Don't fall for a beautiful house in a bad location. You can change the house, but never the neighborhood. Research commute times, schools, amenities, and safety. Visit at different times, day and night. Check school ratings and talk to neighbors. Look for signs of growth or decline in the area. Remember, you're buying into a community, not just a property. The right location protects your investment and your happiness. The perfect house in the wrong place will never feel like home. Choose wisely. Location is everything. Rushing to buy is a recipe for regret. FOMO and market pressure can make you cut corners. Don't let it. Skipping inspections, ignoring red flags, or blowing your budget leads to disaster. The home buying process takes time. Embrace it. Have a plan, know your must-haves, and be ready to walk away. There will always be another house. Don't let urgency cloud your judgment. Take a breath, be patient, and trust the process. The right home is worth waiting for. Don't let anyone rush you, not even yourself. Patience pays off in real estate. Those are the 7 biggest mistakes first-time buyers make, and how to avoid them. Get pre-approved, know all the costs, never skip inspections, and protect your credit. Don't overextend, research the location, and take your time. Buying your first home is a big step, but with the right knowledge, it's a smart investment. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips. Share your questions or experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your home buying journey.